Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about an exam final question which came in 2017 July GCE final paper. So the question is saying, express 3 over 5x minus 2 minus 2 over x plus 3 as a single fraction in its simplest form. But before I calculate, hope you have watched the two previous videos in which I explained on how you can add and subtract algebraic fraction. So this is one of the examples in which you can add or subtract algebraic fractions. This is an examinable topic actually. Okay, so now the first simple thing which you must look for, as I alluded in the previous video, is we must first look for the lowest common multiple in which 5x minus 2 and x plus 3 will go without leaving any remainder. Okay, so the simplest way in which you can look for the lowest common multiple is just by getting the same denominators. So I'll get 5x minus 2 like this, and then x plus 3. So here you must make sure that you put your denominators in form of blanket as if you are multiplying them. So include the blanket when writing your lowest common multiple. Thereafter we divide now. So 5x minus 2 into this, which is our lowest common multiple, the answer will be x plus 3, because 5x minus 2 and 5x minus 2 will cancel out. So we're going to remain with the x plus 3. And this we're going to multiply it with what? Our numerator, which is 3. So I'm going to show it to you as 3 times x plus 3. And then we have got this minus, which is this minus. Then we also divide x plus 3 into this, which is our lowest common multiple. So the answer is 5x minus 2. We multiply this with 2. So mean that we're going to have 5x minus 2. Okay. So I'm solving this question step by step as I'm enjoying it. Hope you are enjoying this question with me. All right. So from here, the next step is for us to expand our numerator. So how can you expand your numerator? You can only expand your numerator by multiplying whatever is outside with whatever is inside. Okay, so meaning that we are going to have 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 3 is positive 9. And then we go to this side, negative 2 times 5x is minus 10x. Then negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Everything we are dividing by what? 5x minus 2 and x plus 3. Okay. So thereafter, we can simplify our numerator. The only way you can simplify our numerator is by correcting the like terms. Once you correct like terms, you can add and subtract them. Remember in the previous video, you learned on how you can add and subtract like terms and unlike terms. Okay, so meaning that what we are going to have here is we correct the like terms. So we are going to have 3x. The like term to 3x is what? Is negative 10x. Is negative 10x. And then we have got positive 9. The like term to positive 9 is positive what? 4. Everything divided by 5x minus 2, x plus 3. So let's enjoy this question. Very simple. Now we can add or subtract. So 3x minus 10x is negative 7x. 9 plus 4 is positive 13. Everything divided by 5x minus 2. And then we have got x plus 3. Now when you reach at this stage, you must ask yourself that what common factor, what number or algebraic expression can go into our numerator and our denominator without leaving a remainder? Because the question is saying we must express it as a single fraction in its simplest form. So the term simplest form, it means that you must leave it at a stage in which there will be no any number, no any common algebraic expression which can go into either your numerator and your denominator without leaving any remainder. Of course, apart from 1. Is there any common factor here? We don't have. None. Very simple. What does this mean? We end here because our answer is in its simplest form. Very, very simple calculation on how you can add and subtract algebraic fractions. As you can see, this is an exam question. So if at all you have got any question or any query where you don't understand about this algebraic fraction, please kindly inbox us into our class and we'll be there to attend to your need. Thank you.